So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to expand display adapters. Now you're going to find your graphics card. You're going to right click on it and then click on update driver. And then click on search automatic for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for your device installed. And you could also go to the NVIDIA AMD or Intel website to download your latest drivers through there for your graphics card. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in display settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, make sure that your scale is on the correct option, recommended. And make sure that your display resolution is also on the correct option. And make sure that your display orientation is correct. Now we're going to scroll down and then click on advanced display. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on display adapter properties. And then once this comes up, you're going to click on monitor. Make sure that you have your correct screen refresh rate selected and then click on OK. And now for the last step, you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.